Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I installed this pre-styled pre-everything wig. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, continue watching. So shout out to Wiggins Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. I'm just showing you guys exactly what I received in my package. So I got a few goodies. I will be using these bows. But yeah, we got the satin bag as well and the wig itself. So this was a 24-inch wig. I also got some lace tape. So this is how the wig is looking. It's already pre-styled for us. We have these two braids at the front, super cute. It was also stitched braids, guys. Like, look at this. I still struggle with doing stitch braids, so I was shocked. But yeah, this is how the wig is looking. It was a curly frontal wig, so I'm just showing you guys the inside. It came with 2 combs on the side, 1 comb at the back, also the adjustable band at the back as always, and this adjustable band inside to help the wig. If you want it to be glueless, you can always tighten it, loosen it, and it is also removable if you do not want it inside the wig. So this is the hair. Yes. Let's get into these curls. So we're gonna jump into this install really quickly. Not much work to do. So my hair is already braided back into 6 straight back braids. They are nice and flat for the most part. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Got To Be Free spray, and I'm gonna spray my hairline and use my edge control brush and just brush back any hairs on my hairline that may be in the way. And once I've done that, I'm just gonna use my blow dryer and dry it. So you wanna go ahead and do this for the entire hairline, guys. Next, I'm going in with my concealer and my makeup brush, and I'm just going to apply that to the inside of the frontal portion of the wig, and this just helps it to blend in better with my skin tone. Next, I'm going to be using the comb that's at the back of the wig to stick into my braids right in the middle, and then just pull the wig up. This allows me to make sure that the wig is set in the middle. So as you can see, no work has been done to the wig yet, and this is how it is looking. So little to no work, guys. What I am going to do first is make sure that the wig is sitting on my head properly, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the extra lace that's around my ears. So you can go ahead and just part it out to make sure you can see exactly what you are going to be cutting, and then use your scissors and just cut anything that is covering your ears off. So this is how it should be looking. Your ear should just be able to sit out comfortably. We're gonna do the exact same thing on the opposite side, of course. So now that I've cut off the extra lace, I'm just combing through my baby hairs, and I'm just gonna comb it to see exactly how it's going to lay. They're already cut for you, they're already curled for you, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna actually style this towards the end. So I'm just pulling the wig back a bit, and I'm going in with my Ebin adhesive spray, and I'm just going to spray my hairline, tap it in a bit. Then I'm going to be using my blow dryer to just dry it a bit. You don't want it to be fully dried, just tacky. And then I'm gonna pull the wig back forward and rest it on to where I sprayed the adhesive. So this is just a temporary hold, guys. You can remove this with just spraying some water on it. So once I've put the wig on into place, I'm gonna go back, spray it a bit more. And this is just to secure it and allow the lace to melt into my skin. Gonna spray back the lace spray and use my blow dryer to dry it. Once that's done, I'm just combing through my baby hairs again because I don't want it to fully stick on to the adhesive spray. So you want to make sure that you just comb it through. Then I'm going back in with the same makeup brush that I used at the beginning, and I'm just tapping that on my hairline. I did not add any extra makeup to the brush. I'm just using what is left over. And once I've done that, I am using the melt band that was provided in the package, and I'm just going to tie down my hairline while I wet the hair. Once I finish wetting the hair, I'm going in with my BioSilk and I'm just going to spread that all over the curls. Guys, if you haven't tried it, make sure you try it out because the hair feels so soft after applying the BioSilk with the water. Try it out. Let me know what you guys think about it. But yeah, I'm just going to spread that all over. Then I'm just going to remove the melt band. So this is how it is looking, guys. These pre-styled wigs that are just done for you are amazing. So we're gonna go in with our Got To Be Free spray and our edge control brush, and we're just going to make our little swoops for our baby hairs. If you don't want baby hairs, you can actually just brush it back, but I like doing baby hairs, so we're gonna make the swoops. And there were also sideburns. I did go ahead and cut some of the sideburns a little bit just because when I cut some of the extra lace, I cut off some of the sideburns. So I just cut that a bit, and yeah, that's how it's looking. I also decided to go in with my makeup brush, just a small one, and the concealer, and just spread some of the makeup onto my part to just define it more. And this is basically how it is looking, guys. There was hardly any work that needed to be done. This is a ready to go pre-styled wig. I love the two braids. As I said at the beginning of the video, I was going to put on these two little bows. I thought they were so cute, and this came in the package, so shout out to them. But this is a loose deep wave curl, guys, if you guys do like this texture. I will have the link to this exact wig down in my description box below. So shout out to Wiggins Hair Company for sending over this unit. All their details will be down in my description box below, so you guys can go ahead and check them out. If you've made it this far into the video, I hope you like it. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about it. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.